What question does self-care really answer? So on one side we have the environment, on the other side we have the body. Over years, generations, even ages, our bodies have been adapting to our environment. So we get adaptation, whether for good or whether for bad. Self-care searches both sides of this equation to find out where a healthy life balance is, and in that way, restoring health. My name is Noel Miller, owner of Design Fitness, expert in self-care, and specialist in exercise prescription. And I want us to explore the world of self-care together. You have worked with one or more health professionals and the issue doesn't seem to be resolved. You have a checklist of things that you have to do or take, and if you don't do them, then the symptoms come back. You find it impossible to keep up with all the things that are asked of you to maintain this positive health change. To reduce or get rid of symptoms, you have to give up something that you truly enjoy and is positive emotionally and mentally for you. The problem that you've been struggling with has been around for months, years, or far too long. You start to identify with the problem. Oh, it's just my knee. You want to ignore it altogether. There's nothing wrong with me at all. Or you want to give up hope and say that's just the way it is. Your health becomes a memory of the past. As you can see from the list, there is a lot more to it than we thought. There's a lot of different pieces to self-care. This kind of makes it a little bit more challenging. I think the number one thing that makes self-care so challenging is the fact that we think we already know how to do it. But if we look a little bit deeper, nobody has really taught us how to deal with self-care in adult life. How do you deal with the stressors, the aches, the pains, the discomforts, the challenges of adult life without compromising your health and stay balanced? There is no course in that. And that's why we end up in the situations we do where we have aches, pains, and discomforts, stressors and things that take away from us enjoying life and what we want to do with our own life, is because there is no course in that. So if any of the points that we made today really stand out to you and has kind of pushed you to the point of wanting to do something about it, please feel free to email us at info@designfitness.ca and we'd be happy to offer our self-care services to you. Hopefully that was insightful and enlightening, and you really found a little bit of comfort in understanding a little bit more about what those challenges are, knowing that there is hope and there is something that you can do about it. All right, have a good day.